Hi Internet friends, it's Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions. I want to bring you a bonus tip today. The question was brought up by Amber on one of the Facebook groups regarding tile in showers. And so we got talking about, several of us got talking about backsplashes versus wall material regions. Now, I realize she is working in Home Designer Pro. I have Chief Architect Premier. On the screen I'm working in version X12, and I'm sure you can do this also in 13 and 14 now. I just have 12 open because that's what one of my clients is using. So I've got this new plan here that I've drawn a couple of glass walls in the corners here, and I'm going to change these rooms to showers. And that by default it changes floor type, floor material, and removes the baseboard out of the room. And then I'm going to drop in, I've done two of them here. In Premiere I can click on my wall tool, and the last option here is wall material region. I want to do one of these here. Now in mine right now, wall material region actually goes all the way through, for some reason, the this glass wall. And I want to see if I've defined this uniquely. That's a partition wall. And that's not a partition wall. I wonder if I change these to, if I change the wall type to not, the glass shower to not be a partition wall, if maybe that changes it. No, it still goes through. So what I do oftentimes is I'll just grab this. You can do this in the elevation or in the 3D like I'm doing here. So I'm just drawing a polyline on the wall like so. You can also go into the cabinet tools and, similar to a custom backsplash, not similar to, use the custom backsplash, and just like I did there, draw a polyline on the wall. Now on the custom backsplash, I could just click above a cabinet and it would find the cabinets, the height of the cabinets and the width of the cabinets, and just automatically put that backsplash there. If we had the upper cabinets, it would stop at the uppers. On the wall material region, it does not stop around cabinetry. So I click on the wall, it not only goes through that wall. Let me delete this and draw a, we'll draw a framed wall here. And wall material region, click on this wall like so. If for some reason, I'm not sure why it's not stopping at the glass wall, but it does stop at the framed wall. Anyway, so that's wall material region. Let's delete these cabinets and just show it drops all the way down behind the cabinets. It doesn't follow that. So from the reason I like these material regions instead of versus painting them like with a tile texture, I could paint this wall with a tile texture there, but that's limited to the glass, the confines of the room, which is confined by the glass wall itself. So let's go into an elevation here, and I can bring that beyond the glass wall, and now I'm just going to move it to my extensive ceiling, walls, and floors. Same, this is a material region. I click on this, this is a custom backsplash. Wall material region, custom backsplash. The custom backsplash just finds the height of the cabinets and the width of the cabinets and stops there. But you can still edit a custom backsplash or a wall material region the exact same. Take it to the extents, take it to the floor, take it to the ceiling, extend past the glass shower wall, and there you have it. Now I've got mine set up differently so that it actually I don't think I've played with it much, The wall material region actually removes the drywall and puts these layers on it, the tile, thinset, and backer board. The backsplash does not cut the finished layers and adds 1/2 inch of white tile on it. That's just the way my defaults are right now. You can change that by double clicking on the tool and adding layers, deleting layers, changing layers. You can make the label the way you want it. I could make that remove the drywall or not. That's just how you set up your defaults. So that's really kind of 2 ways to use what I consider the same tool, other than the fact that the Custom Backsplash finds the extents of the cabinetry. So that's the difference between wall material regions and custom backsplashes. If you were in the 3D view or the elevation view, you could draw either one. I'm going to draw a custom backsplash here, and I could just draw it. I wouldn't have to, in elevation, I wouldn't have to adjust it and extend it, whereas you can't really snap to walls, ceilings, and floors in a 3D plan view. So that's wall material regions and custom backsplashes in Chief Architect Premier X12. I understand from what I've been told, Home Designer Pro has custom backsplashes, so you can use that in your showers as well. Hope that helps. Take care.